Market analysis 1. So it gives 3 tables. It's called users, orders, and items table. Orders table is connecting the users table and also the items table by using buyer ID, seller ID to the users table, and then item ID to this items table. Write an SQL query to find for each user the join date and the number of orders they made as a buyer in 2019. Return the result table in any orders. Okay, so we want for each user. So we will take every user from this user tables, right? Even if it didn't have any orders, we will just show 0, right? So we will take every users from this user table. We will take every user ID and we'll take the user ID of everyone and join date. So the only thing we need to think about is the numbers of order they made as a buyer in 2019. So we will not take care of the seller, we will just take care of this buyer. Okay, so we need to join only those two tables. Two tables is enough because we will not need this brand name or item ID. We will not use that one to put in our select list. Okay, when we look at this example, users table, send orders table, and then items. Every user, we will take that one. Every user, they are join dates. Only the columns, very last column, is gonna be the orders in 2019. So we can get from this one, right, by using count the order ID. If the order ID is 2, we made 2 transition, we will just put 2. If it's only 1, just 1. If there is no transition, there is no order, we will just put 0, right? So we only need to join two tables, and then I will use group bind. Okay, select, we will select anything everything we want, and then I will join user table as U and left join because I want only everyone from the left table users, and then orders table O. So I will join by using O dot this one buyer ID, right? Yes, ID must be equal to this user ID, and the transition should be only in 2019, right? So I will take only year from this order ID dot order date, right? And then it must be only 2019. Okay, then I will group by. So we will group by with something, right? So here in this select case, we want u dot user ID as the column name we want is the buyer ID, and also the join date. U dot join date is gonna be the same, column name is the same, and also we will need the count, right? We will count the order, so we will count O dot order ID as orders in 2019. Okay, so in this select list we call this count function, so we don't need to care about this one, and then we only need to group by using this one, and also join date. Oh, what is it? User ID and also the user join dates. So that will be it. I'm gonna run this code. Okay, I'm gonna submit this one to see what we get. Okay, that's it. Thank you.